The Defense Acquisition Council had cleared the purchase of next-generation maritime mobile coastal batteries in 2019 that would be fitted with Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles and would be deployed along the coast. As per the Ministry of Defense year-end review report, a containerized missile system has been inducted in 2022. The containerized missile systems are highly agile, easy to move and easy to disguise, and will act as shore-based coastal security against naval warships. Containerized missile systems can also be mounted on auxiliary supports ships or oil tankers and cargo ships to strike frontline enemy warships. The Indian Navy has commissioned the second Project 15B class guided missile destroyer INS Mormugao today, that has been designed by the Navy's Warship Design Bureau and constructed by Mazagon Dock shipbuilders with a high level of indigenization of 75%. The 7,400-ton destroyer is packed with a plethora of sophisticated sensors, modern radar, and weapons systems such as Brahmos supersonic surface-to-surface cruise missiles and Barricade surface-to-air missiles, anti-submarine rockets and torpedoes, and can also operate anti-submarine warfare helicopters. 2 squadrons of Tejas MK1 fighter jets that are operational with the Indian Air Force will eventually be upgraded to the Mk1A standard, which will come with a host of improvements and other features. The first squadron of Tejas MK1 fighter jets became operational in July 2016, and they are due for major servicing in 2023 on completion of 8 years of service. The upgrade from Mk1 to Mk1A might start in 2025, when the production line of the LCA division is in full swing, and components and subsystems for the Mk1A will be available in greater units. The Greek Air Force conducted a dogfight between its Rafale and F-16 Block 52 Viper, and they have declared Rafale as the winner in the highly contested fight. The twin-engine Rafale had a big advantage at all altitudes, and its cannons helped it in sharp maneuvers. The powerful laser radar combined with the Spectra electronic warfare suite gave the Rafale an advantage in quickly locating targets at longer ranges, and the unbeatable Meteor was able to shoot simulated targets at very long distances. The Ministry of Defense has released a request for information to procure 570 logistic drones for the Indian Army, that will include standard logistic drones for deployment up to 12,000 feet, and high-altitude logistic drones for deployment between 12,000 feet and 18,000 feet. The mission range should not be less than 20 kilometers in one way, and endurance should be minimum 45 minutes. Both versions of logistic drones must have fully autonomous mode, manual mode and return home mode, and should also be hardened against electronic warfare interference, and should have anti-jamming and anti-spoofing properties. Hindustan Aeronautics and Israel Aerospace Industries have offered a Boeing 737 converted freighter to the Indian Air Force that can be used to move cargoes. It will have a payload capacity of close to 24 tons and will have a range of 3,700 kilometers when fully loaded, and can carry a fuel load of up to 26,000 liters. Chinese spy ship Yuan Wang 5 is now heading towards Sanya port on Hainan Island. The spy vessel is mapping the ocean bed near Sunda and Lombok Straits for future submarine and anti-submarine operations, as Australia will soon be acquiring US-built nuclear-powered attack submarines.